Hi, this is Jack at Jack's Transmissions. Getting your EVO 10 MR or your Mitsubishi Ralliart with the SST, and it looks like you're accelerating. RPMs go up, you're shifting through gears, but Speedo says you're at 0 miles an hour and you look out the window and you're not going anywhere. Well, it could be stripped splines. The platform is aging, and this is the T-case coupler and the output splines from the trans from that car. Let's take a closer look as to what happens and what we can do to help you. Pull the T-case off. You'll be able to see this right away, and just look right in here. You'll see where the wear is, is on this assembly. You go over here and look at a new one. You can see the difference. Splines, no splines. These splines are completely stripped out. So here's a closer look. It's pretty bad shape. So you can see where that noise is coming from now. So this is the transmission side, and this is the output. So the output is trying to turn in the T-case coupler to move the vehicle forward, and it can't. This is severely worn. I mean, there's virtually nothing left here of these splines either. But when this wore completely smooth, there's nothing to grab anymore. So it just runs along, and as you can see with the splines, it'll make like a grrr noise. Here's that sound again. So there you go. So that's what causes that noise and those symptoms. So typically, if one piece is worn to this point where it's stripped, the other piece is going to be destroyed as well. But it's okay. Jack's Transmissions has everything you need. We sell these parts, and we also install them. We'll rebuild the trans for you if you wish. So, this whole assembly is brand new, made by Jack's Transmissions right here in the USA. And then we look at this area here, the output. We make these as well. Now, I don't know what's wrong with people on the internet, but they make fun of us that it's welded. But this, because of the efficiency of the way we manufacture parts like this, they're still incredibly robust. You've never seen these break. And on top of that, it's like half the price of making this whole thing. So you get this piece, the piece that you need. It works just fine. It's precision machined. All of this is made right here in the USA, and you got yourself a nice matching pair of parts that will work perfectly for you. There you go. So one thing you may notice, and it is absolutely an indicator that your splines are stripped, is if you put the car in drive, it doesn't go anywhere, and then you go back into park, you're going to hear a loud rattling noise coming from the transmission. That's pretty alarming. What is happening is again, to make sure we understand what's going on here, the T-case coupler is connected to the drivetrain to the wheels. So if the wheels turn, the coupler turns. This is all connected. Okay, there's nothing between. Everything's connected, and you could just look at this as if the T-case coupler here turns, the wheels are turning. Now, the output shaft of the transmission transmits power from the transmission to the coupler. Now, if these splines are stripped, what's happening is we have a disconnect here. They're going to rotate independent of each other. So when you put the car in gear, the transmission is in rotation, but the wheels are not. So this is turning independently of each other. That's where you hear that ron, ron, ron noise from. But when you have your foot on the brake and the wheels are stopped, that doesn't mean the transmission is stopped. The transmission is free floating, and in rotation. The output shaft is in rotation. So what that means is when it's in rotation and you go to put it in park, something like this will happen. You'll get that alarming buzzing noise. What's happening is since the transmission is still in rotation, and it's disconnected from the wheels, the output shaft is turning at a high rate of speed. So when you put it in park and the parking pawl comes along to lock the output shaft in place, it can't do it because it's spinning so fast. Now these systems are very well engineered. They have a give, they have a give to them. So if it's rotating at high speed, the arm is trying to engage, but it'll let go and allow the shaft to rotate until it gets to a slow enough speed that it can lock. It's fine. It's not going to break the case. It's not going to damage the parking pawl or these engagement teeth or anything. It's totally fine. It won't hurt anything. The noise is alarming, but it's okay. You didn't ruin your transmission or anything doing that. It's actually pretty funny. So, but one thing that could be potentially dangerous about this, knowing that this area here that locks the car in park, if you've ever seen a car in park and tried to move it, you know how it stops you from moving it? That's what park is for, is to keep the car where it is and not allow it to move. Now, if the coupler and the output shaft are turning independent of each other and there's a disconnect there, the parking pawl is locking the output shaft. That doesn't matter anymore. The spline stripped are going to allow the coupler to just move independently. So we've had an issue where somebody stripped the splines on their SST, they put the car in park, they think the car is going to stay because it's in park, they get out of the car and the car rolls away. Again, when you're in park, the transmission is locked, so it's not moving, but if this can turn independently of the transmission, it doesn't matter anymore. Park doesn't work anymore. You put it in park, your car rolls away. So if you suspect that you have stripped splines with your T-case or your SST or whatever, do not get out of the car with it in park without the e-brake on. Rip that e-brake, make sure the car is stationary, it's not going to move, then get out or you're going to go chasing after your car. So that's about it. I hope that understanding this gives you a better idea of what to expect, what to look for if you do have stripped splines. And I hope that it'll make this failure a little safer for people too, because cars rolling away, I mean, it can happen. And that's a very dangerous thing to happen. So we really appreciate you guys. We appreciate the business. We've been selling a ton of these. We just seem to make these all day, every day. And we sell them as parts to people if you want to do the job yourself, or if you want us to do it. We do everything from repairs to full rebuilds here. We'll even pull the trans from your car for you, do it, do software updates for you and everything. We really love this platform, and we're trying to keep up on these failures due to age, and we hope that we've earned your business. Thank you for watching. Okay, so vehicle is in park.